So I'm back with the another recipe of gajar halwa that is sweet, yummy and delicious. Also so tasty. Gajar halwa or carrot halwa. Let's see how to make this. So here is a recipe of carrot halwa that is gajar halwa. Let's see first what are the ingredients. One and a half cup of milk, ghee 2 big tablespoon, sugar 200 grams and all the dry fruits which and all you prefer you can add. I am using here raisins, cashews, elaichi that is cardamom and badam. So these are the dry fruits I am using here. And next what I have done is I have taken a carrot, peeled off it, cleaned it and then grated. So this is what, and this is almost 500 grams of carrot I have taken here. So first let's start recipe now. I am taking a pan and in that I am adding 2 big tablespoons of ghee. After the ghee gets melted, add all those carrots which you have grated. Adding all the carrots into the pan. Now what you are going to do is we are going to mix it, and you have to cook this in a low medium flame, that is medium flame, for 20 to 25 minutes by just stirring it in between so that the bottom surface does not gets burned. And then also you can feel that the color gets changed little bit, and the color changes to orange, light orange. And now what you are going to do is cooking it 20 to 25 minutes by stirring it in between. And also guys, one more thing I would like to say here is, if you take reddish carrot it will be more tastier. So if you want you can take reddish carrot and stirring it again in between. Now you can see the quantity gets reduced. Now it is 20 to 25 minutes you have cooked. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add 1.5 glass of milk here we are adding. And see, now it has become little bit watery, and now we are going to cook this for again 20 to 25 minutes by closing lid in medium flame. You can see the quantities also got reduced somewhat, and now we are closing the lid and cooking it again for 20 minutes by stirring in between again like we did first. If I am saying 20 minutes, please don't open after 20 minutes. Give it a check by in between so that it also gets cooked properly and also doesn't get burnt from the bottom. So again 2 to 3 times I have opened the lid and I have mixed it and stirred it in between. And see guys, now the milk substance is getting reduced little by little. This process should be done for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes there is little bit milk left over. Almost it is cooked. The milk is reduced. Almost the milk is got over. Now here we are adding the sugar, that is I have taken here 200 grams of sugar and that I am adding here. If you want more sugary you can add more sugar here, and I am using here only less, that is 200 grams of sugar. And after that at the same time I am adding here all the dry fruits which I have taken. If you prefer any other dry fruits, that also you can add. So here I am adding the raisins, cashews, kaju and badam, and the cardamom, that is elaichi which we had, that also I am adding here by crushing it. so that it gives more flavor in this carrot halwa. So yeah, and now giving it all a good mix. What you're going to do is, now we are going to cook again for 50 minutes, closing the lid so that the sugar which will dissolve and give water, that also gets cooked properly. So again, now after mixing it all, we are going to close the lid and cook again for 15 minutes. Also stir in between again, as we did when we added milk. Open the lid, stir occasionally in between so that the carrot halwa does not get burnt. So this also I have done 2 to 3 times in between. And now almost all the water also has been reduced. So now what we are going to do is, as you can see, now the water content is not at all more here. So now cooking it 2 minutes in a high flame, just by stirring continuously and giving a heavy stir. That is, you should stir it properly from the bottom continuously, so that as it is in a high flame, it doesn't get burnt. Now almost our carrot halwa is ready after 2 minutes. Now serving it in a plate. Now our tasty, delicious, sweety and also yummy carrot halwa is ready, guys. See how beautiful it's look, and also it's really so tasty. And also guys, it is a simple carrot halwa recipe, because this is the ingredients which was always available in your home. So this is a simple recipe of carrot halwa, and like these sweet recipes which I have done, I will add that video's link also in the description to check out. So hope you all guys liked my video. If you have liked, please do like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon, and also do comment down. For more such recipes, do subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next recipe.